Welcome to Get Your FRQ On. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your calculator into sequence mode. And in order to do that, we're going to have to use our mode button, which is right there. If we click on mode, we have a bunch of different options. If we scroll down to the one wherever this is located on your calculator, on this one, it's the fifth line down. And I just moved it over to sequence, and then I clicked enter to set it in sequence mode. And then what that does for us is when I click on the button to get to my functions, y equals, notice that this now looks completely different than it did when we were graphing just regular functions of x. All right, so my first sequence, my minimum value for n is 1. I can change that. I don't have to keep that the same. But I can just define a sequence. So let's say 2, and then notice when I go to my variable key, the one I used to get x when I pressed, I now get an n. And I can define a sequence here. So I have this sequence, and now when I graph it, notice it graphs only the points corresponding to the sequence. When x is 1, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 minus 3 is -1, so I get 1, -1, and then notice it just graphs all the different points in that sequence.